Our world is changing faster than ever before. Imagine stepping into the year 2100, where cities reach into the sky, deserts bloom with green forests, and the air hums with silent electric vehicles. Picture humans living longer, healthier lives thanks to advances in medicine we can only hope for today. This is a world shaped by our greatest challenges and our boldest solutions. Today, let's journey together into the unknown, exploring how life, technology, and even the planet itself might transform as we step into the dawn of the 22nd century, a time shaped by innovation, resilience, and the dreams of generations to come. Hello and welcome back to Project NOTOS. I'm Roberto and I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out any of our explorations into the science and the ideas that shape our time ahead. The future is not just something to wait for, it's something we're building right now, with every new idea, invention and decision. Some changes may seem scary, others exciting, but it's important to preview how these changes will affect the world our children and grandchildren will live in. So what could that future look like? What will feel familiar and what completely new? Let's dive together into the world of 2100. By then, the average human lifespan could stretch past 100 years. Breakthrough in gene therapy, nanomedicine and personalized care will help us prevent diseases before they start. Imagine tiny robots, smaller than a cell, patrolling your bloodstream, clearing out cancer cells and repairing damaged tissues. Communities will grow smarter too. Vertical cities will stack homes, parks and farms into sleek towers, reducing our land footprint and bringing everything, schools, shops, hospitals, just an elevator right away. Technology will be woven into every moment of our day. Artificial intelligence assistants will know our preferences and help us plan meals, manage our health and even guide our emotions. Augmented reality glasses or contact lenses will overlay digital information onto the real world, showing you the name of a planet as you walk through a park, or translating signs in real time when you travel abroad. In our homes, smart surfaces will change color and texture on demand, adapting rooms to our mood and needs. Our habits will shift towards true sustainability. Recycling and composting will be automated. Smart bins will sort waste into reusable materials and turn organic scraps into energy or fertilizer right in your backyard. Lab-grown meat and plant-based foods will be just as tasty and affordable as today's options, cutting carbon emissions and saving water. Vertical farms and rooftop gardens will supply cities with fresh produce year-round, bringing farms into the heart of our urban landscapes. Travel in 2100 will be a mix of speed and comfort. Hyperloop tubes will whisk people between continents in under an hour, while electric air taxis will handle short-distance trips within megacities. Most vehicles will drive themselves, communicating with each other to avoid traffic and accidents. Space travel may finally become common. Low-cost rockets and spaceports on Earth, and soon on the Moon, could let us vacation among the stars. And with global internet coverage from satellites erased, every corner of the planet will stay connected. The Earth will look very different. Thanks to carbon capture plants and giant artificial forests, we might remove billions of tons of CO2 from the air each year. Coastal cities will stand behind smart sea walls and floating barriers that adjust to sea level changes. Something like this already exists. In Venice, Italy, the MOSE project is designed to protect the city from rising tides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full video about it and how it works. In places once threatened by drought, desert greening projects will turn sand into fields of crops and forests. Even the air will be cleaner. Pollution-heating buildings coated in special materials will break down harmful gases. Overpopulation concerns will be met with smart planning and technology. Compact, mixed-use neighborhoods will house more people in less space, with public parks and shared facilities to keep life pleasant. Waste won't just vanish. Instead, we will turn trash into treasure. Advanced waste-to-energy plants will convert plastics and other materials into clean fuel and raw chemicals, powering our cities and factories without adding new pollution. Related to this important topic, we made an interesting video about Boyan Slat Ocean Cleanup Project to clean rivers and oceans. The link is in the description, check it out after this one. Connection will go beyond video calls. Holographic telepresence rooms will make you feel as if you're sitting at the same table with friends on the other side of the world. Language barriers will fade. Instant translators, either as earbuds or embedded in your AR glasses, will let you speak naturally in your own tongue while listening in perfect translation. And virtual reality environments will allow people to meet, learn, and work in shared digital spaces that feel real and fully interactable. Now it's time for our usual fun, those surprising and curious ideas that make us smile and think. Let's take a look at some of the wildest and most exciting possibilities for life in 2100. Underwater cities. Some designers imagine small research stations built deep under the ocean, where people could explore sea life and collect useful data from the ocean floor. Flying drones. In the future, personal and commercial drones will fill the skies, delivering food, medicine, and packages right to your door. Some may even be used for emergency services, like search and rescue or medical aid, while others could sadly play a key role in future wars. Memory libraries. Advanced brain-computer interfaces could let you record and play back personal memories, like videos. In a year's time, you could relive a friend's wedding or your child's first steps with full sensory detail. Solar paint. Future houses might be coated in paint that harvests solar energy. Each sunny wall becomes part of your home's power plant. The world of 2100 promises to be a place of wonder where humanity, nature, and technology will blend in ways we can barely imagine today. We will face challenges, but our creativity and innovation will guide us to solutions that will ensure a healthier planet and richer lives. What excites you the most about this future? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey forward in time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Project NOTOS, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.